Redrawing old art helps us to understand our improvement over the years. In this video, I'm going to challenge myself by redrawing one of my old arts. So I started checking my sketchbooks to find an old drawing. I was looking for a drawing that I have an idea about redrawing it and make a huge difference. But I couldn't find something proper until I remembered this. Because most of the time I draw on paper rather than sketchbook, definitely I can find something good from here. It looks so cute. This drawing, I can't remember exactly, but I can say almost 5 years ago, or maybe even more. So let's go and see how much I improved during these 5 years. Like I'm going to finish my white pencil because of this drawing. I feel like it's becoming a white ghost. But overall, I think it's going to be really cute.
Job's done.
Okay, here is the result. I hope you enjoyed this redrawing challenge video. Don't forget to share your comments and like the video. Also, subscribe. If you want to see my miniature art challenge, you can check this video. Bye!